Here we go, an acquisition, Scalextric's Teenage Mutant Hero Turtles, so UK release, 1991. It's quite a small set, not particularly complicated. Nice ring, something I certainly wanted as a kid. I vaguely remember these sets being available. They weren't on the market that long. I can only see references to this in just 1991, and I think the Turtles came out in the late 80s, 89, so maybe they were a bit late to the show. But anyway, I've picked this up, probably paid a bit too much, but still, it'll be a bit of fun. Hopefully I can use a bit of additional track, although you'll notice it's actually green, so slightly different colour, makes it a little bit more interesting. But anyway, let's unbox it and take a look. Seller had packed this very well. I've removed most of the newspaper, but they'd packed newspaper everywhere to protect everything, so if you're shipping Scalextric sets, I think that's a great call. So you can just see some remnants here. So there's instructions, which is fantastic, and the track, and as you can see it's green. It seems in pretty good condition, and obviously this is a start-finish line with a sort of custom Turtles spray on there. So it's not a very big track, probably not very exciting to be honest. And we've got two vehicles. I think the orange is Michelangelo. So let's get it into focus. It's quite nice. Braids look okay on this one. It's got the magnet as well for better traction, so that's pretty good. Little Turtles logo there, so quite an interesting looking vehicle. I think it's a car. I think it's based on the trains, on the horses. And here's I forget what they call this. This is Shredder's clan, isn't it? Foot soldiers. I think this is a foot soldier. So again, it's quite in good condition. Foot Clan. There we go. Yep, it's the Foot Clan. So I think, as I said earlier, this is based on the horses base. So it's quite an interesting piece there. Oh, and I should say, which is quite nice with this set. So obviously not the barriers haven't been used, but here are the stickers, or transfers, should I say, unused transfers. So I am tempted actually to scan these and get them reprinted, so I can make the flags and barriers myself. So Mirage Studios licensed copyright promotion. So yeah, there's a reference to 1991 there, and here are Turtles. So that is pretty sweet that's been unused. One thing you forget about is just how difficult it is to take these things out. This is proper buried in here, and I think this is the correct orientation. I love the sticker there. Shows you how little it's been used, saying it's going to get warm and give us a slight smell when new. But yeah, so there's nothing, you can't get any purchase to pull it out. Very annoying. Okay, so all set up. I've not set up a Scalextric set for a very, very long time. But as you can see, it's just a oval circuit. It does mean that the inner circuit, there's less track. Personally, I think what would be more interesting is to have maybe a crossover. But you can tell this is kind of budget, really, in many regards. Maybe they put so much money into the license, they've kind of maybe cheaped out on the track. But I know that the horses, they released a horses kind of variant, Newmarket, Ascot and Derby, I think, around a similar time frame. So I'm tempted and probably will pick up some of those sets, and then I can combine the track to make it more interesting. Obviously there's only just about fits on my temporary table, but you know, it's a bit awkward to use here because I don't quite have enough room on the table. But yeah, I mean, I think the actual turtle character goes nicely enough. So the foot soldier for me is the pick of the bunch. Yeah, gonna have to glue him back on, I think. I think he's had enough. Clearly he's been in storage for too long. So let's go fix him up. But yeah, I mean, you know, interesting sort of piece of history here. Not very common. Don't know how many of these were sold, but as I say, I think combined with some more track, maybe from the horses sort of line, you could do something quite interesting.